All right, so this is Tiblio, and it's an amazing online service that helps you find the best trading opportunities. They have multiple different screeners for credit spreads, bull and bear squeezes with a lot of trading activity, option sweeps to follow large trades and big money moves, and a lot more for your different trading strategies. There's a trading board so you can log all your trades as soon as you enter. You're gonna get real-time alerts sent straight to your phone and get a good idea of your percentage of wins and losses. You're gonna get access to fast market news on any stock, and that's valuable in itself. But the best feature is the community Discord group, where you can exchange trading ideas and get guidance from the Tiblio team. So you can sign up for $34.95 a month. That's less than a tank of gas, but make sure that you sign up with my link and get your first month for 20% off. All right, so make sure you check out Tiblio. Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch.
Foxtail from the D.
Hello? Okay, dang, this looks dark for some reason, but we're gonna work with it. Hey, hold on real quick, let me see. Hold on, YouTube. Hold on real quick. This is so unprofessional. It is what it is. Okay, let me see. Now it's a little bit brighter, okay. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And this is another Sunday live chat. You already know what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna do a little bit of technical analysis on a few stocks that you guys wanna look into. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of time to come into the room. What's going on, Keisha, Rosie, Samstone, 4141, what's going on? Brianna, that's a pretty name. Blue Pender, okay. The man of what? Of the cloth, okay. Hello, JH Ebony Scrubbles Soaps. That's a pretty name. That's my sister's name. Good evening. Finally caught alive. Yes. Make sure I want to see some. I'm gonna see some good picks today for the stocks. So while I'm waiting for you guys to come in, if you guys haven't already, what's up, Peggy? What's up? Speaking of Peggy, if you guys haven't joined the Discord group yet, make sure that you join it. It's getting very live, very active in the group. It's so much fun. On top, just seeing other people profit and stuff like that, that's beautiful, but everybody's sharing ideas, trading ideas, so it's amazing. Okay, what's up, Sharonda? Oh, Lord. Sharonda, wait until, okay, we always on the same page. Wait until I have the top 3 options video up today for that stock. So what I need for you guys to do, so this is Thinkorswim, so you already know, I need for you guys to leave me the ticker symbol, and I need to know if you're trying to day trade, swing trade, you're doing options, what is the T? All right, so let's see. So Sharonda, wait for the top 3 tonight, okay? That's on here. It's actually, damn, you said puts too, see? Yes, Sharonda, wait for the top 3, please. ADM, Harry, do you mean, is it ADM or are you talking about AMD? Because if you're talking about AMD, you gotta wait too. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get into it. I can't stay on live too long. I have to finish editing this video and then get some stuff ready for the Discord. So it's gonna be kind of short. You guys are not even gonna lie, but it's okay. It's gonna be great. So let's go ahead and, okay, boom, let's go. So this is from Raphael. Is this Raphael, my co-worker, my ex-co-worker? If it is, what's up, Raphael? If not, that's cool. Okay, and while I'm getting all of this set up, you guys, make sure you click that thumbs up button for me. You already know it helps the channel. And what is this? Who is that? Peloton, how do you pronounce it? Peloton or something? I'm just mad they did that to, well, I'm not gonna give any spoilers, but if anybody's watching and just like that, they know they were wrong for what they did to Big, but I kind of see where the story is going with this. So yeah, but anyways, what's up with the stock? Okay, that's just my screen is going slow. Okay, so I see it definitely has some movement. Oh, Now, what did you say? You didn't ask me. I don't know directional wise, you know, how you feel about this. I know it had this huge spike in price on Friday. I'm not looking at any of the fundamentals or news or anything. This is just all technical. So just in seeing something like that, first, I would want to know why it spiked like that. But just looking at the overall trend, it's in a downtrend. So the only thing I would anticipate after that is, you know, the stock to drop. So I don't know if you're doing options or if you're doing stock shares, but this is $24 a share. So it's not terrible to do some short selling, but I would probably be bearish on this, just going with the overall trend. I mean, look at, and that was all during after hours. Child, please. I want to see what happens on Monday. I want to see what happens on Monday, because you see it jumped up to 35 and then it dropped down to 30. Please, pump and dump. Anyways, or did they have an earnings? I don't know, but yeah, if I was gonna do something, it would definitely be bearish, and that would be that. Oh God, look at these, girl. I know you lying. Look at these option prices. 200, please. 3,000 open interest. Basically 4,000 open interest and 3,000 volume. Which one is this? Oh, these are calls. Hold on, let's go over here. Ooh, hold on. Now I'm getting it. Okay, it's not, okay, here we go. Let's look at something like this. So people ask all the time in the comments, they'll say, how do you pick your options and stuff like that? So if I'm just doing a little, you know, a little quick day trade or a swing trade or something like that, I'm just gonna go for the one that has, well, the one that obviously doesn't cost a crazy amount, but I would be more inclined to choose ones that have a higher open interest and volume. So this open interest right here, basically 4,000, that just means that there's almost 4,000 of these contracts open right here. That's a good sign. I like that. So yeah, I feel like I spent a lot of time on that one, but thank you for that, Raphael. Okay. Okay, I don't even know where to start. That's okay, Brianna. Start with the chart. Oh, that rhymes. Okay, so if I could say anything, even with options, whether you're trading stocks or options, it's always going to be understanding what you're looking at. So I would just say start with the chart. I'm gonna put that on a t-shirt. All right, so let's get into the next one, and this is NIO. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up while I'm getting all of this together. Okay, see, and they have some cute options too while we're looking at the page. Now this is cute. That's not terrible. 400, that's a little, but literally right below that, not too far out of the money, about 2. So you can definitely get some cute moves with this. But let's look at the chart and see what the trend is giving us. So always starting at the 180, given downtrend. Now, one thing I like to see in a downtrend is just kind of seeing what's going on with this. Okay, so this white line right here, this is my 50-day moving average. Just a average of 50 days worth of move. Actually, not 50 days. This is a 4-hour chart. So each one of these candlesticks is 4 hours of the day, but you get what I'm saying. So we've moved up to the 50-day moving average. Now, this is a situation where it could break out upwards and change trends into an uptrend, moving past that 50-day moving average. But a lot of times what you would see is it's actually just gonna fall down from that. So that's something that we might anticipate with this, but we still have some more room. If you look at this little trend line here that we have here, we could have it move up to 27, but honestly, I would probably just be bearish on this. So if I was going, and then just even looking at the RSI indicator, it's really not doing too much. It's not giving me too much. So I'm going to be bearish on this. And if I was going to have an entry for that, but it did kind of close a little bit towards the high of the day. But if I was going to be bearish, I would really just kind of need to see it. Look at this. This is giving very much so support. Look at that right there. And what price is this? This is around 22. I would need to see it pass below 22 before I was going to enter something bearish. And we already looked at the option prices. Very nice, very decent. And yeah, that's something that you can do. Dang, I know you lying. 40,000 open interest? Oh, please. Wow. Let me write that down. I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna put this in the Discord. Thanks. Who is this? Guala. Thanks, Guala. Putting that in the Discord. Anyways, all right. Oh Lord. So let's look at this SOFI from Cannonball, because we talked about this a couple of weeks ago. I told you guys I was talking about it with my mom, and I haven't been doing anything since. Let's see. So what we were anticipating with this the last time, it looked like it was towards the bottom of a good overbought, oversold pattern. So let's look at it now. Oh, what? Is this the right stock? Yeah. Okay, so this is on the 1 year chart. It's a little bit further back from the 180 day because I just wanted to show you that trend that we were looking at. So, I mean, it's pretty clear, you know, boom, boom, boom. Okay, that's what we were anticipating, but that did not happen. That doesn't mean it's not going to happen though. So, I mean, honestly, that's... But you don't want to be a hopeful trader. You trade what you see. So right now it's giving you downtrend. We were anticipating that this might have been a support area. What is this? This 14, but it passed through that. So let's zoom in a little bit closer and see what's going on. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. This is something that's very interesting. So it was kind of neutral on Tuesday. I mean, Thursday and Friday is kind of neutral. So I want to see, is this trying to bottom out? Is this trying to find a support to come back upwards into, what was it, 24 is the top for this? I really don't know. So if I was going to be bullish and anticipated moving it back up, I would really kind of probably want to see it move above this 200-day moving average. That would be a great sign to me. So it would probably need to get back towards the 12 and 13 as far as bullish entry. Now for bearish, please, that's not far. 11. Okay, it's at 11.89 right now. If it dropped to $11, it's like maybe a little under $1, then that would be a good indication to me. Plus, this is only an $11 stock right now. This isn't going to be doing crazy Tesla moves. Let's look at the option. Ooh, these options are nice too. And the implied volatility is very high. So if I was going to do something on that, it will probably be a credit receiving position, because that implied volatility is so high, and all you can really anticipate is it might increase, but it's probably just going to drop. So we'll just see what happens with SOFI. All right. Oh, who is this? Zoe said, for those of you who aren't on Discord, do yourself a favor, sign up. Oh, please stop that. Thank you, Zoe. You better stop. Thank you. No, I mean, honestly, the Discord group, look, I'm always gonna, whatever I do, I'm always just gonna try and make it the best that I can. And I just want this to be profitable. So just today, I put up some cheat sheets for confirmation time frames for scalp trading, day trading, swing trading. So just things like that. I just wanted there to be a continuous growth for all of us. So thank you so much for that. All right, so let's get into the next one. Oh, Lord have mercy. Let's go ahead. Come on, Tyler. Okay, I want to do agree to disagree next. Dang, you guys are doing some good ones. Ugh. Okay, I want to do agree to disagree next, but this one, which one is this? Tyler, hold on. Okay, yeah, this is from Tyler. Okay. Actually, DKNG was one of our, no, that was from Discord. Okay, see, now I'm getting confused. Okay, so let's look at DKNG puts, obviously. And it's looking like it's the right time too. Okay, so this looks similar to what we were just looking at the previous stock. So giving clear, obvious downtrend. And we just popped above this white 50-day moving average. So we just popped above that. So what's going to happen with that? Are we going to continue moving up? Is this going to change trends, or is it just going to continue moving downwards? So honestly, that's probably something that you can anticipate with that. I think I talked about this not too long ago on a top 3. And I remember talking about this type of gambling stock, every time they move to a new state, they have to spend a lot of money just to be within regulations for that. So they're still kind of building themselves up. I think they're in 15 or 16 states. Don't quote me on that. So they're still growing, but long term, this is definitely going to be something good. Short term, let's see what's going on. So RSI is kind of low. It's around 50, but 50, that's kind of 50 for a downtrend is actually kind of high, honestly. So let's zoom in a little bit. I'm going to be bearish on this. Oh, Lord, it did crazy on Friday, though. Let's just see what happens at market open. But if I kind of start to see it move towards that 21, lower 21, 21.20 and go in 2021 on God. If I kind of see it definitely pass below the support at $20, then that would be kind of a good indication that it might, you know, be continuing in that downtrend. But if you were anticipating it moving out of that downtrend, I don't know if they've had any news or anything. They had an earnings all the way back in November. So I wouldn't consider this a trend reversal going bullish until it has a ways to go, in my opinion. I would need to see it move past $30 before I was going to even think about changing trends. So I'm just going to go with the downtrend. Bearish. Oops, somebody says SOFI is trash. I know that's right. Okay. Oh, hold on. So we have 173 people in the chat right now, but we have 57 likes. So come on, you guys, like, click the like button. This is free information, free fun, free entertainment. Ebony, I just did this week in Nelly 86. I love it here and there. Oh, okay. I don't know what y'all talking about. Let me get on to mind my business. Y'all not talking to me. Lady Webbs, new subby, new to stocks. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you so much. Yazzle, CH, who was that? Charge Point. Let's see what's going on. Dang, I know you. It jumped up to 103 likes. Okay, thank you guys. I appreciate that. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right, so let's look at Charge Point and let's see what they're talking about. Also, last week I didn't do a weekly recap. I just feel like everything is in a downtrend. This one, I'm going to say the same thing as the last stock, but yeah, the same thing as the last stock, severe downtrend. We just moved up to the 50-day moving average. Now, something I would kind of like to see though, is if we are changing into moving upwards, then you could see a golden cross. And you already know, if you guys haven't seen that video, the golden cross is when you have that 50-day moving average cross above the 200. So that would be very much so bullish. And the RSI is kind of low right now. It's a possibility for this. I could have said that for the other stocks. So honestly, anything can happen. You really just want to look for those particular things. So like I said, this one has a similar pattern to the last one. Boom, it's hitting that trend line, hit that low, boom, and hit that resistance, boom. This is kind of where we are right now. So the question is it going to break out of that trend, or are we going to continue in the trend and just go boom and hit probably around that $8? I like to go with the trend. I'm not even gonna lie, but looking at the MACD indicator, the MACD, just kind of looking at the histogram, and it looks like we could have a possible crossover. It's right here at the center line too. It's very close. So on things like this, honestly, sometimes it's okay not to trade, or you can do a credit receiving position. So if you can find something good for this one, I don't know. I don't know about Charge Point. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's look at the options. Option prices are cute. Implied volatility is a little bit high, so I'd kind of probably want to do a credit spread, an iron condor, or something on that. Okay, so what? Can you get those kids doing drugs off the street? Oh my God. Oh, okay, Ebony said, no, I'm talking to you. You said we should join the Discord, and I said I did this week. I love it here. I know that's right. Yeah, it's getting kind of live in the Discord, so stay tuned because it's gonna keep getting better. Always, you already know. Oh Lord, did I talk about Lucid on here? Okay, no, let's go ahead and let's look at Lucid. Not doing a thing, and I like how you put in. Thank you, Sharonda. This is Sharonda. Sharonda. She knows what's up. So let's see. This is for Lucid. And February options. So you said February 18th. It's not too far away, so it's probably a little quick little day trade, swing trade, or something like that. And you're looking for calls. I mean, what's kind of interesting is both sides were kind of, I don't know, the calls on Friday, they were down, and so were the puts. So, I see what you're looking at, Sharonda. I see what you're looking at. So even though this kind of looks like it's dropping, which it is dropping, but it looks like it could be giving a slight divergence on the RSI and with the MACD. So our prices are moving up. Now, not really. These prices are moving up. So it's kind of going with it, but it's kind of giving a little divergence here. So I like that we're seeing the RSI move upwards. So that's obviously bullish. And then the same thing with our MACD indicator. It's below our center line, that purple line, but it looks like it's moving upwards. So that's kind of bullish. So if I was going to get into anything bullish on this, you said do a call. I don't know if you're already in this position or not, Sharonda, but let's zoom in just a little. Actually, let me see. We're at 27 right now, $33. I would like to see it move up to 30 if I was going to have an entry for a long position, but that's not really a long position, but that's just kind of something I would look into. Now going into the market open on Monday, kind of seeing it move to 28, that would be a good indication that it's kind of starting to move up past our previous resistance points from last week. So that's just small things that you can look for short-term trades. This is from MD Sahid. Hey, can you teach us a strategy to pick the direction of the stock? Okay, that's easy. So a strategy to find the direction of the trend is look further out. So like I said, I always start from the 180-day chart or a yearly chart. Also, I like to use moving averages. So I have two simple moving averages. Like I said, the 200 is the orange, 500 is the white. So look at where the stock price is in regards to the moving averages. So we can see that the stock is below the moving averages. So if our stock prices are below our previous averages over 50 and 200 days, that's just an indication that the price is decreasing, right? If the current price is below what the average has been, it's dropping. Bearish, right? Hey, another thing that you can look at is crossovers. So like I said, the golden crossover, there's another thing called the death cross. And YouTube, they're acting very sensitive with words and all that other stuff. So the death cross is when you have a longer term moving average cross above a short term. So I don't want to go too much into that. I have videos on that, but that's a strategy that you can use, Sahid. So I hope that helps that. All right, so we've been here for 23 minutes. Like I said, you guys, I really need to get to editing this video. I have 200 people, almost 200 people in the chat, 137 likes. I like to get this video to 250 likes by the time I get off the live. So let's get this video, let's get the live to 250 likes, you guys, right now. And let me get into another stock, ROKU. I've seen ROKU on here twice. So let's look at this one. Every time I get on live, my nose starts getting stopped up. It's crazy. Okay, so this is ROKU from Trucking All Day. And I was talking with my best friend about transportation and investing into, a little piece, a little truck. Were they talking about 250 and 300? That's an investment, but you got to do what you got to do. Now, this is definitely giving me divergence. Look at this right here. So this is divergence. if you guys have ever heard, I mean, that's what MACD stands for, moving average convergence divergence. So that's kind of something that we're looking at. We see that the stock price is continuing to drop, so it's dropping, but look at that MACD, look at that RSI. So our stock price is getting lower, our indicators are moving upwards. So this is giving divergence. This might be a slowing down of the downtrend. Is it? I don't know. I don't know. So, I mean, if I was going to be bullish on this, I probably wouldn't do anything. I'm just going to be honest with you. 192, dang, that's like $40. Well, 170, that's like $10. Well, that's what I would want to see. If I was gonna be bullish on this and I'm looking at this divergence here, I would not get into this until I see it pop up to this 170. It is what it is. You can get in before. Actually, I was having this conversation with somebody in the Discord group, and they said that I put my entries basically kind of far off, but I think I'm just a little bit more long-term, even though we're trading during the week and stuff like that. You can have something from last week's watch list pop the next week. So I keep it on my watch list. I wouldn't do anything bullish until it passed 170. That would be a great indication for that. So, whew. Can you please publish a video on day trading using SPY or an ETF? Okay, I can definitely do that. I don't necessarily day trade those though. Those normally I would do credit spreads on SPY and QQQ. Definitely, I love the spreads. But yeah, I can talk about that. I can't hit another like. Well, thank you, Andre. I appreciate you. Lucid is oversold and it's below the 50-day moving average. Well, you know what that means. Okay, support your sister. Thank you, the man of. Look at knock. Okay, that'll be the next one. So this is from Elliot. So I think I might do, let's do 3 more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go for the night. So let's look at NOK. Everything fell off cliff, yeah. I mean, that's why I like doing the options, because whether it's up, down, or not moving much at all, that we can always find a strategy. Dang, I like this, I like this. I like this, Elliot. Okay, so they just had an earnings not that long ago. Now, one thing I like, it hasn't necessarily been neutral because it's had some pretty good price changes. Well, this is like a penny stock, but it's gone from $6 to $5 over, how long did that take? Over a month, $1. Okay, I mean, regardless of how low the price is, one thing you can see is after it hit this low point, the support around 525, it's starting to move back up. It just moved above the 50-day moving average. That's a good indication of bullish movement. And, you know, our RSI is moving up. MACD just moved above the center line not too long ago. And it kind of looks like it had a little fall here. But just kind of looking at that histogram, it looks like it could be, you know, forming into a more bullish green pattern like that. So that's kind of something that I would look at. And does this one have options? Yes, the options are literally pennies. So yeah, you can get into that. $80, $100, about $200, but it's not going to move much. Even look at the market maker move, 40 cents. It's not even expected to move $1 by March. I know you lying. I mean, what do you want to do with that? I'm not like, I want to take the judgment out of my voice. My mom told me not to be so opinionated on the channel. So we, Daryl, we talked about Peloton a little bit earlier. So I'm going to have all of the stocks that we talked about in the description, so you can just click it. So just wait until we're about to get off in a few minutes. So just wait for that. Okay, let's do another one. CROX stock. Is that CROX, the shoes CROX? Let's see, this is CROX. All right, so we have 200 people in the chat, 186 likes. Let's get this to 250 likes. I need you guys to help me out. I need you to, like, who is that said that? Support your girl. Ooh, CROX is doing, I ain't doing nothing. So this is the same thing. This is just like two of the previous stocks that we saw. It's in a strong downtrend after it hit that high of 183. Honestly, this looks like Apple, kind of, not really. But yeah, they've kind of plummeted, and very strong downtrend. We just hit the 50-day moving average again. I'm going to be bearish. I just like to go with the trend. I don't care. And if it doesn't go with the trend, then I don't enter the trade. That's why I have entry points. But it could, it could. So, okay. Right here, I feel like we're in a very neutral spot because it literally could go either way. Somebody left a comment being a smart. He's like, oh, yeah, it could go up or down. Right, it could. So that's why you have entry points. So if I was going to be bullish and I was anticipating this moving out of that downtrend and crossing above the 50-day moving average, it doesn't look like it's done it before, though. It's done the same thing. It'll drop, come back up, boom, and drop again. Boom, drop again. Boom, drop again. It's not passing that 50-day moving average, and this is back since December. So I'm gonna be bearish. I'm not even playing. So let me see. For me, I would probably wait until it fell to 97. So it's 99.74. It has a couple of dollars, in my opinion. Once I saw it move past that previous support, then it's a go. It's gone. I'm on go. But looking down at that RSI, though, it's a little bit oversold. So I will wait. Okay. What did I say? 3? Do we have 1 or 2 more? All right, I'm going to do this one from Peggy. What's up, Peggy? Oh, thank you, trucking all day. Hold on. This is BP. This is trucking all day. I'm working on acquiring 100 shares of Tesla in July 2022 and looking to sell weekly covered calls for approximately $3,000 to $5K weekly income. Thoughts? I think that that's a really good idea. I'm not sure if you're in the Discord, but somebody was saying that last week. They said that they discovered the magic of covered calls, and that's honestly something that I've been thinking about too, just with the portfolio growing the way it is. Doing day trading and swing trading and stuff, it feels like that's continuous chasing, which is fine. But if you can do something more passive, like you said, have the 100 shares of Tesla, I mean, something that's a good stock that you like and that you believe in and stuff like that, selling covered calls for income on a stock that you already are making stuff from, and you have dividends, so you want something that's going to have dividends. I think that's honestly something that we all should be moving towards, long term in our trading career. So thank you for that, trucking all day. Okay, so let's get to BP from Peggy. Oh, and I'm glad that you got the everything to work in Discord. I'm glad that we got that worked out. So teamwork. I got you. All right, this is BD ADR sponsored. Is this the right one? Let's zoom out. Oh, yes, Peggy. Hey. Okay, so this is kind of giving me a little breakout look. It's really giving me a little breakout. And I don't know if you guys, oh my freaking gosh, this is giving me a breakout. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but something that you can anticipate. When you see a stock that, first of all, is in a strong trend like this, is giving a strong uptrend, and it's a pattern. Boom, 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 boom. But look at this. Boom, boom, okay? Once you see that we have lower highs and higher lows, it's kind of forming a flag. I guess you can kind of consider this a flag. Maybe, maybe not. There's so many different names for all of these patterns. Look, all I know is when I see this and I see that, first I'll see that, and then what is the trend before that pattern started? So it's kind of giving me a little uptrend, something, a little uptrend, hey. So I'm going to be definitely bearish. And then look at that. It's moving right now. So that's what you're asking, Peggy. You're saying, is this a breakout? Now, let's go down here. Anytime we're talking about breakouts, something that's super, super important with breakouts, volume. volume, because we're trying to break above a previous resistance point. So a lot of times you'll see it hit that resistance, fall back down, hit it and fall back down. I need to see volume. And that's why in the breakout video that I posted, I showed you guys how to, I love this too. And this is why I love Thinkorswim. I don't trade over here, you know, all the time, but I love Thinkorswim because they have so many different options that you can put in here. So you can see here their daily average volume, 13 million. Great. On Friday, it was 16 million, right? Exactly. And look what happened on Friday. I feel like I'm yelling at you, but I just get excited, that's all. Yes, but it still wasn't doing too much. It was very neutral on Friday. It was playing with my emotions. It was playing with my emotions. Look at that. So going into next week, if we're gonna continue being bullish, waiting on that breakout, I need to see strong volume. And at 32.88, I need to see it pass above that 33 that it was playing with last week. Stop playing with me. So are we gonna pass above that or what? That's what I'm asking. And if it doesn't, then I would just leave it alone, because it keeps playing with me and I don't have time. I'm not gonna let you play with my emotions like this, VP. That's what I would say. And that's how I trade. And sometimes people, I said I'm gonna do my live trades. Sometimes I get a little excited when I day trade, so I don't know. We'll see. I said I was gonna do it on Discord, so we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Okay, so let's do one more. Thank you for that, Peggy. This is the last one. I said I wanted 250 likes. We're at 215. So what is that, 45? Is that 45 more? Ooh, no, hold on. Is it 35 more? Yeah. Okay, let's get 35 more likes. And then, yeah. Then I'll have the top 3 options coming up. So we have some really good picks on here. I'm not going to tell you what they are. You're going to have to wait, but it's going to be good. Stop posting the same thing over and over again. Okay, let's look at the last one, and this is gonna be, I might do 2 more. If you guys can get this to, if you can get this to 250, I'll do 2 more. So this is from George. I blocked you, sir. MD said, whatever, you doing too much. Stop posting the same thing in here. I'm not trying to see all that. Whatever you're saying, we see you. Relax. Damn. I'm not trying to be rude, but like, don't do that. Like, stop acting like a weirdo. Okay. Yeah, exactly. And hit the like button. Stop playing. Okay. Hey, George. Okay. All right. So this is from George. Is this gold? What is this, George? What is this? Is this it? This is right. I hope so. If it's not, oh well. So this is global. Ooh, child. Okay. Global X FDS NASDAQ. Oh, okay, this is the ETF. Great. So one thing I kind of like about this is giving definite downtrend, obviously. And we kind of have some trend lines that Thinkorswim draws automatically for me. I love it. So we've hit that trend, boom, we hit that low of 19. Now we're moving back up, boom. It's kind of towards the top of that trend. Oh, I don't know why I just did that. And so the same thing with the other stocks. We just hit above our 50-day moving average, this white line. So from where we are right now, we want to see, is it going to continue in that trend and move downward, or is it going to kind of break above that? Now this will kind of be a breakout. And if I was going to be bullish on this, I would want to see it break above the 21, actually 22. Yeah, I would want to see it move above 22 if I was going to be bullish. But I really kind of just want to go with the trend and be bearish. And so I would probably have my entry under 20. And if you really wanted to do it, I would probably say, what is this, 19? Hey, play it safe. What are y'all laughing at? I'm not trying to be mean. I don't like all that. It's doing too much. See, look, that threw me off. I didn't even put this over here. I'm not trying to be mean to anybody. Let's do one more. Oh, we're not at 250 likes yet. We're at 249. I'm gonna wait. I'm still gonna wait. I'm gonna see if we can get it to 255. And then I'll do one more. Okay, Ant set. Yep, Ant. That is gonna be one of the top 3. Wait until tonight. And it looks like we are very much so on the same page direction wise, because I'm bearish on Snap too. Okay, dang, 268. Okay, let's do another one. Come on. BP doesn't look like that. This isn't BP anymore. This is this is QYLD. I forgot to change the thing. That was my bad. That wasn't you. That was me. No, I'm not talking about Snap. Hold on, you guys. All you guys talking about Snap, wait until the top 3. Last one. Okay, boom. Come on, One Shine. You must be in the Discord. Are you in Discord, or was that one of our top 3? Because we were talking about that on Discord. You must be in the Discord. Hold on. Did we talk about XOM on the top 3? No, that was from Discord. See, I'm getting lost. I don't even remember. I have 2 separate books for Discord and top 3, but I don't know. So let's get into XOM. This is going to be the last one, you guys. We're at 272 likes. Always strive for above, okay? You guys. Dang. This was from Discord. And this thing has shot up since we were looking at this on Discord, because we were bullish on this one, I believe. ExxonMobil. I remember this was from the small trading account. All right, so another thing, if you guys do join the Discord group and you have a smaller account, it's not 100% up yet, but I do post trades for options that are under $100, and this was one of them. And the stock has gone up since we talked about. Oh, they had an earnings too. It's probably why. But yeah, so we're gonna have a small trading account where we're gonna start with an amount and get it to a certain amount with option trades under $100. So it's gonna be really fun. And you said XOM 85 strike. Is this a call or a put? Sean. I'm not, but I'm just following oil and this Russian stuff. Oh, yeah. I feel like we talked about this on top 3. I don't remember, because I remember talking about this stuff from Russia. And it was doing something with one of our energy stocks. I'm stressing myself out with this. It's not even that crucial. No, that was VET that we talked about. VET, not BET. I remember. All right, look. So let's look at XOM, ExxonMobil. Okay. I feel like you're probably talking about a call because you said 85 strike. Out of the money, but it's not too far. It's in an uptrend right now. And, okay, so what I kind of like, you see little spikes like this, little healthy, a slow grow like this. This is healthy. You don't ever want to see something that's like that. That's giving pump and dump, because it can't even maintain all that. You want to see something slow. So this kind of had a little drop. Now let's see, is it going to continue? Boom. I would say probably at least 84, 85. I feel like it has maybe about $4 we can squeeze out of this. Just kind of, yeah. And so if I was going to enter something bullish, just going with the overall trend right now, I would probably set my entry to, you already know where I'm going to set my entry. I'm going to set my entry probably around 83. Dang, that's where we were trying to go. Well, it is what it is. 83 or 81. But we just kind of want to see it move past those previous resistance points. So I'll probably say probably 81, keep it safe. Hey, G-Lo, what's going on? I almost missed this dope session. Glad to make it to tune in. Thank you, G-Lo. Thank you for your $4.99 super chat. Somebody, thank you, Trucker All Day, for your $10 super chat too. I appreciate you. 2020 oil stocks, boom. Yep. All right, you guys, Tesla to $1,000 tomorrow. Let's look at Tesla real quick. That was one of our top 3 from last week, and all we had on that one was a credit spread. We just needed it to stay above $690, which clearly it did, child. 900. We knew that thing wasn't going to drop $300 in a couple of days. I mean, that would be a crash. So that's why I like doing credit spreads. You said Tesla to $1,000 this week. That's what you're predicting. There's a little ways to go, but it's possible. It's my mom. What happened? What happened to what? Okay, you guys, my mom is texting me. I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for tonight. Okay, so thank you guys so much for joining us for our weekly live. Now stay tuned. A little bit later on tonight, I'm gonna have the top 3 option plays video up, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Please look forward to more tutorial style videos. I told you guys I was kind of getting used to managing the Discord. It's just me doing all of this with the videos and everything. So managing a Discord of over 200 people and just doing my thing. So bear with you, girl. I'm trying my best. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Shouts out to Mama Foxtail. Aww, I'm gonna tell her. Okay, you guys, 285 likes. Dang, that's crazy. All right, thank you guys. Good night, everybody. I'll see you on the next video.